Hi guys! So, ayun na nga. Just woke up. Wala pang ligo-ligo. Pero, kailangan daw bumangon because it's my mama's birthday! Yeah! So, kami prepare just to make her day extra special. So, tara, tingnan natin kung ano na yung ganap sa labas. Let's go! Tagal lang. So, agad check ko kung magkano, ha?
Kasi baka mamaya ano na naman eh. Tagal-tagal. Pero wala lang. Pastor din lang daw kukuha.
Wala si Yoyo.
Wala. Bawal eh. Ayaw nilang ilin. Pastor, bawal naman.
Sino?
Kuya Jonah.
Patuloy na nagbibigay sa kanya ng maraming biyaya Panginoon at papahaba ng kanyang buhay. Maraming salamat po dahil patuloy po siya nandiyan at nagbibigay lakas sa bawat isa at kayo po Panginoon ang patuloy na nag-iingat sa kanya. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nag-provide dito, Panginoon, sa kanyang mga apo na nasa ibang mga lugar o hindi po namin sila kasama dahil sa quarantine na ito. Kayo po Panginoon na magbigay ng protection sa kanila. At sa tanghaling ito, sa pagpatong ng ating kamay at ng aming mga kamay na pataas, Panginoon, kayo po magbigay ng blessing sa Kanya at patuloy na pahabain ng kanyang buhay sa panahon ito, Panginoon, at naway ang inyong Banal na Espiritu at patuloy na pugsog sa kanyang buong buhay at buong pagkatao. Mamabandi, pagpalain ka naman ng Panginoon at patingatan ka, paliwanagin ng Panginoon ang kanyang mukha sa iyo at habang sa iyo. Ilingat ng Panginoon ang kanyang mukha sa iyo at bigyan ka ng kapayapaan ngayon at magpakailanman. Sa pangalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo.
Happy birthday!
Nagulat naman ako, sasagot sana ako nung sinabi, Mama Bandi, sana sabihin ko,
Ayos!
Grabe! Wow!
O, yung mga suporta sa pastor
Ay,
yan,
sayang nag-hit! Sayang wala si Lian!
Sige pa mama, 50 ka pa lang, wala ka pa.
Sakto, bukas ang pera na sa nakato.
Wow! Wow! Ang dami naman ito!
Yes!
Wow!
Yeah!
Kita, ang sarap ng ano?
Lian! Yan siya mag-swim!
Ayan mo.
Lian, halika rin! Ayaw niyo na?
Bawal na, mo palo. Masakit yan. Bumitaw. Ligo.
Akin na yan, akin na yan.
Ligo. Wag! O, ligo mo. Bilis. Ligo kay Ate Shana. O, ligo mo kay Tito. Ayan.
Ipa-swim niyo, binibidyohan ko. Yay!
Lamig? Kaya pag nakababad din, wala rin. Hindi mo mamulong.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello! Happy birthday po all the way from Thailand. Ayan, sana po maging masaya ang inyong birthday at ang wish ko po sa inyo ay maging malakas at malusog sa pang-araw-araw. Ayan po. God bless. Happy birthday. May you enjoy your day. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mommy Evangeline. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mommy Evangeline. I know na saglit pa lang po tayong nagkakakilala dito sa YouTube world. And thank you for supporting us na kaming mga anak-anakan ninyo po. And thank you po talaga sa pag-suporta ninyo sa aming lahat. And we love you so much. And I wish na magkaroon pa po kayo ng magandang kalusugan every day. We love you so much and enjoy your day.
Hello po. Happy birthday sa mami ni Sis Ethel. Sana po magkaroon pa kayo ng mas maraming years to celebrate with your apos, with your kapamilya. God bless you po. Stay healthy po kasi meron pa tayong hinaharap ngayon. Stay healthy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's a great day. That's what we say. Happy birthday.
Hello po sa iyo, Mami Evangeline. Happy birthday po sa iyo. Naway maging masaya po ang inyong kaarawan. God bless po and ingat po.
Hello! Happy birthday, Mami Evangeline. Ako yung isa sa mga anak mo. Joke lang. Bagong anak mo. Ayan. Happy birthday. Ayan. Happy birthday to you, Mami Evangeline. And more and more birthday to come. Ayan. Mabuhay ka hanggang sa gusto mo. Ayan. Thank you po. Maraming salamat sa pag-support. Every LS namin, nandyan ka nakasupport para sa amin. Ayan. Maraming salamat. Ayan. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Mama. Mama, happy birthday. Hot dog?
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay. Ang taas ng pitch niya. Greeting my mom.
Happy birthday. I'm gonna wait for you here. I wish you all the best. Anyways, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. Bye. Have a great day.
Hello, Mama. From New York, your bunso. Greeting. Happy 67th birthday. Ayan, lagi kang palakas. Sabi ko sa'yo, you need to be healthy. I wish you all happiness today and your birthday. And lagi ka lang mag-aircon. And I want you to stay healthy kasi makikita pa tayo dito. So you need to be healthy. I wish you all happiness and sana more birthdays to come. And always take your medicine on time. And always remember that nandito lang kami ni Rick and ni Ethan, always loving you. And thank you so much for all the caring, yan, mga hardship na inassist mo ko from JM to Ethan hanggang sa apo ko na si Lian. Thank you so much, Mama. I love you so much and always be happy. God bless you.
Happy birthday po! Happy birthday, Mama! Sorry, di kami makapunta dyan ngayon gawa ng lockdown. Bawi kami. I love you!
Happy birthday!
Bye-bye!
Bye! Bye-bye, kiss!
Mama, happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama. Mama, happy birthday. Hot dog?
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday. Nasa isang house lang naman tayo, but wala lang video, so here's mine. I wish you good health. I pray na the Lord will continually bless you and give you more strength as you age. Alam naman natin, senior ka na, but kaya mo pa rin makipagsabayan sa mga millennials. Anyway, we love you and thank you for everything. Now, ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo today. Let's swim and eat to the fullest. Love you.
Hi, Mama! Happy birthday! I hope na sana marami pang blessings and birthdays na dumating. And wag natin kakalimutan na mag-pray and mag-serve lagi tayo kay God. And I wish na sana happy ka lagi and healthy. Sana magustuhan mo yung binake kong cake for you. Diba yun yung gusto mo? Ipag-bake kita ng cake. So, wish granted. So, yun nga, ibibake kita ng cake. Makikita mo yun bukas. Then, Ma, thank you for everything that you've done for us. Especially sa akin. Yun lang. Happy birthday. See you tomorrow. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Evangeline Thizon. And kilalang kilala sa motherhood na pangalan. Wish you a happiest birthday tomorrow because I'm nagbibideo ako ngayon, so bukas pa. And huwag ka tumawa. Sana mabuhay pa tayo ng matagal and magpatuloy lang tayo mag-serve kay God. And yun lang. Bye-bye. Love you.
Hi, Ma! Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo this year is good health, tapos sana humaba buhay mo, at thank you sa lahat ng ginawa mo sa amin, para sa amin, tapos yun lang, happy birthday!
love you, Mama Chup Chup. 사랑해요. Ti amo. Je t'aime. Love you, Mama Chup Chup. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye!
Hello, Ma. Happy birthday. We love you. Have a full blast today as we celebrate your birthday. Enjoy lang ang malamig na tubig sa swimming pool. And I pray that you continue serving the Lord as President ng Kababaihan. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday po! Love you, Mama! Blow the candle! Blow the candle! Blow! Blow!
Oh, yan na. Yan na. Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Ate Banji. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie Banji. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Say! My dear sister. Love you, love you, love you.
Hello, Mare! Happy birthday! I love you, Mariko! Kumusta na? Saan ba ang kain na natin? Saan ang blowout?
Birthday to you. Many more birthdays to come. I love you.
Hello guys! Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like and subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell. I hope you like our video. Please watch more videos. We'll continue making some and please watch our broadcasts. It will be amazing. Bye-bye.